Hey, how's it going? Alex here from IdeaSpot, and today we've got another WooCommerce tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at the WooCommerce product page. We're going to be customizing the page a bit. By default, there's a few product features here that we don't always want. There's some breadcrumbs at the top. There are some product meta descriptions here with the shopkeeping unit and the category there. There's a couple extra tabs there with additional information and reviews that we don't always need in the product page. And there's also the review stars there on the product catalog. So I'm going to show you how to turn all these things on and off. If that sounds good, hang in there, keep watching, and you will learn. So first thing we can do is turn the reviews off. That's really easy. You go to WooCommerce under settings and under our products tab, we go down to enable reviews. We can just untick that and click save changes. So with any luck, we just go here, click reload, and there we go. There's no more reviews on our product. So the reviews tab is gone there. So that's the first one, turning reviews on and off. The next thing we can do is turn off these breadcrumbs. So that's in the theme customizer. Let's go click customize, load that customizer up. And under WooCommerce, under the single product, we can disable the breadcrumb. So just do that, click publish, and those breadcrumbs are gone. So that is pretty easy. Now, for our next step, let's just reload that. We can see that breadcrumbs are gone. Now, our next step, let's remove these bits of product meta. So using some CSS, go to customize, and let's go back to additional CSS. We can go ahead and just put some CSS snippets in there to hide the product meta. Now that's just called product meta. We just put dot product meta in there and display none. Set that to important so it overrides your theme settings, and with any luck, the product meta has gone. So let's hit publish. That is fairly simple. I'll put that CSS snippet in the description so you can use it on your store. And the last step, we're going to just work on hiding these extra. So the additional information tab, it's the same thing. We can just hide it using a CSS snippet. So again, that CSS is just called additional information tab. And there we go. Just paste that in, additional information tab, display none, and set that to important so it overrides the theme. And there we go. So that's all cleaned up. Much tidier looking product page. We've removed the additional information. We've removed that product meta, and we removed the breadcrumbs. You can always turn those things on and off. We've also removed the reviews. Reviews can be actually good, so maybe leave them on if you're getting some nice reviews. They can be helpful. But other than that, I hope this has been helpful. I like to have a nice tidy product page with minimal distractions for your customers. So if that was helpful, click like, click subscribe, and I will see you next time.